So we have embarked on our digital transformation journey a few years back in India. We started initially with a lot of transactional automations, digitalizations, improvisations, and our focus was always creating value to our stakeholders, either the employees or the customers, or for operational excellence. As a logical extension of the journey, as part of this journey, we wanted to take up end-to-end process automation. And like every other organization, AP passing was one of the most important. And in our case, it was much more complex because of multiple factories and different entities and multiple systems. And then there's not so much of uniformity. There's a lot of specializations in different places. So the need is to have a system or a platform which can seamlessly automate the whole process, including the very good OCR technology coupled with some AI/ML capabilities. So once we have defined the AP passing automation as one of the key areas for as part of our digital transformation journey to address. So we have spent a good amount of time in evaluating various technologies and providers which are available. And in fact, we are being a part of Legrand, it's a MNC, French MNC. In fact, we even interacted with our subsidiaries across the world. So people in our French subsidiary or different countries where they had done work on using different solutions in terms of OCR and AP passing automation. So we took the inputs and learnings, evaluated different solutions vis-a-vis our requirements and which is the best fit. And we also did a lot of pilots and POCs. So before even concluding Nividous, we have done with almost various providers. We did a thorough POCs and pilot runs with different solutions. And even with the Nividous also we have done a very extensive pilot runs. And based on all the results, and finally we concluded that probably Nividous is the best fit which can meet our requirements. So one of the important criteria in making this selection is the platform capabilities and also the adaptability of the platform, because we are very clear that we need to have a solution where we are able to make a right adaptation, where there is a flexibility on the technology which can adapt to our requirements also and solve our problems. And that was also one of the prime reasons where we felt Nividous can add value. We have now already done the go live, and then we are now just expanding the scope of the AP passing automation process. So I must say that in terms of results, it has met our expectations. And one of the most important criteria in terms of OCR data extraction capabilities, which again very important in this whole process. I think we are able to get a very good accuracy levels and of course consistent performance. So I must say in totality, vis-a-vis the objectives and what we have seen the experience of various people and the solutions, I think definitely it is meeting the requirements. So for us, from a digital transformation point of view, the success of any digital project depends on 2-3 important factors. One of them is, of course, the capability of the platform or a solution, or let's say, or a technology by itself. How good is that platform or the solution is designed, the product per se, which is very important. How robust it is and how, let's say, the proven or how solid is the solution. And two, while you have a very good technology solution, it doesn't guarantee a very successful end result and implementation, because a lot depends on how it is being implemented, how the adaptation is done, whether it is by the provider or the implementation partner. So here in this case, I think Nividous, they themselves are the implementation people in this case, and which was very important for us, because we know that this kind of process, if it has to be successful, it needs a very good amount of adaptation from the process and the platform and the way it is executed. So the combination is very important. So then only you will get a good results. So the good point which I can say about Nividous is the implementation is extremely good. The team especially is also very plays a clear role. So in terms of understanding the process, adapting and resolving the issues, and the way the project execution is done, and the business analysis, I think it is one of the, I must say, it is really one of the strong points of Nividous, which is very important to get a really good results in these kind of implementations. We are trying to, let's say, maximize the usage, or in terms of exploiting the potential of the platform. So in fact, it is not even foreseen. We have already started working, and it's in advanced stages. So in addition to IP pausing, using the capabilities of the platform, we are now already building, of course, with the Nividous team, creating a platform where we can create our complex workflows in a very extremely flexible manner. We are also building a collaborative platform in one of our factories, where we execute complex turnkey products made as per the customer design, with which has a long complex, let's say, design to dispatch process, where the collaboration becomes extremely complex. And so where we, in a unique way, we are building a collaboration platform, again building on the core capabilities of the Nividous platform, which we are going to roll out for two other complex, let's say, problem statements, and hopefully this should lead us to improvement in our overall customer excellence.